Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return an item to AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to section My Orders. Now find order that you want to return, then tap on it to open its details and find button Returns and Refunds. So now your screen should look approximately like this, and first of all you have to answer a few questions. So the first question is, did you receive your item? And select answer yes. Next question, do you want to return your item? Select yes answer as well. And now here in this section you have to provide a reason why basically you want to make a return. So here tap this arrow and you will see list of reasons. So pick one reason and tap it to select. Then tap continue button, and here in this line you can enter a refund amount. So if you want to get your refund, enter refund amount there. Tap continue button, and then you should confirm your return method. So there are two options available. The first one is AliExpress free return service, and second is self drop off. So think about it and decide for yourself which option will work out for you better, and tap it to select. Then tap continue button, and here additionally you can provide some more information for your seller. So in details you can describe what exactly happened and why do you really need to take that make return, and in that way you have more chances that seller will approve your request. And finally here you can upload your photos, screenshots and videos as a proof, and do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests take 2 business days to be processed, so you should wait a little bit, and after your request is approved, make sure to find your free return label. And in order to find it, you need to go to section My Orders and then open order that you want to return and find dispute page. And basically there will be your free return label. But here's the thing, that you have 5 days deadline to do that, to find your label, and if you will miss your deadline, your case will be simply closed and you will be not able to return your item. So that label is the most important part about returning on AliExpress. So download that label and print it out. Then you want to carefully pack your parcel with free return label on it, and after receiving your label you have 15 days to drop off your parcel at nearest local post office, and after that you have simply to wait. You have to wait until your package will be delivered to your seller back. So that were the main points on how to return an item to AliExpress, but if you have some additional questions and you don't understand something, now I will show you how to access some additional information. So at your homepage, access any item, like it should be really random item, then scroll down to section Free Returns right here, tap Learn More button, then scroll down to section Free Returns, and now you have it. So here you have step-by-step instruction on how to make a return with some photos, also some additional information about returns and also refunds on AliExpress. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.